What are some threats that are facing laundry owners in the new year and going forward?
Well, every market is different, but there's a lot more brand laundry brand companies that are building stores, acquiring stores. So some of it is investment money from, hedge funds or venture capitals to outright manufacturers coming into markets, whether it's building stores or acquiring. So I would say some markets are at threat of, you know, Tide laundromats are being built in some markets. Will probably never be in my area, but some markets are at threat of corporate money coming in and taking over, or um, putting a hurting on people that actively work in their business and stuff. So
Right.
people with bigger pockets is a big threat.